Hey everybody, welcome back to Gillen's Garage. Jonathan with you here, and behind me I got the mule, and right there I got my transit seat, and it's an exciting day. The other transit seat that is being reupholstered with the original upholstery is done, and so I'm going to head for it, and I'm going to take you along for the ride. And taking along for the ride today is Lylah. Lylah's coming along for the road trip. Say Lylah.
Yeah, say Lylah. Oh, yes.
Oh, she's a good pup. So anyhow, she's coming along today. So I hope you guys enjoy. All right, well, I got the seat picked up. We're on the road, and apparently the dog approves because she's pretty comfortable. Of course, I'm like, oh my gosh, the dog's on the new seat. Then I got to remind myself that that upholstery is like 30 years old. She's gonna sit on it eventually, so she's loving it. All right, well, here's the finished product. I'm pretty pleased with it. I got a little impatient with my my paint job. I should have let it set up a little bit longer, but overall, I'm pretty happy with the work that they did here. This interior, though it doesn't match perfectly to the 87, it will match perfectly to the 90. And bonus, they had a little bit of material left over, so maybe I might know somebody to make me some nice pillows. Wouldn't that be funny? Anyhow, so yeah, I'm happy with the way they matched kind of the transit with the inlay, and matched the design, and then finished the back with vinyl, basically to match what was on the original seat, like this. The original seats have the vinyl on the back, so they match that same thing. Now, there's really not much I can do about the black seat belts, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'll be honest with you, I spent more money getting these upholstered than I spent buying the whole Cummins van project. So definitely committed, I guess. So I think they look cool, and I couldn't be happier. Some people probably think I'm crazy. Oh, yes, and Lylah, come on. You're showing everybody your butt. Come on, Lylah, here. Hey, come here. Hey, Lylah, look at me. Lylah. Oh, yeah, perfect. She really likes that seat, don't you? Yeah. Oh, yeah, she loves it. It's definitely Lylah approved. You gonna ride up there a good bit, pup? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Say, if only you didn't get car sick, huh? Yeah, yuck. Right? Yeah. All right. Well, that was perfect timing. Got a little puppy time. So come on out. Come on. Come on. All right. All right, well, I hope you guys liked episode 2 of the van seat and the conversion. Meeting Lylah. Yes, she must like being in the videos. Yes, you do. So anyhow, hang out, come back, check it out, see a little bit more of Lylah, see a little bit more of vans, Ford stuff, you name it, we'll be doing it.